Little short video for YouTube, Watson's Wagons Land, frickin' Facebook, whatever. How do you get your pool warmer when you want it warmer and it's not warming up fast enough for you? Check it. All right, let's see here. It is 79 degree water temperature. Air temp is 91. I'm not satisfied. I mean, at least give me one more degree and let's get up to 80 degrees, right? Then I'll jump in and do the plunge. So here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's a little unsightly with all of my beautiful gardening. But I got this black hose and I had 50 feet of it or so that I was using to drain the pool with. So I went and got another 50 feet. And this hose is sitting out in the sunlight and it gets hot very, very quick. So I'm gonna run 50 feet and I'm gonna spill it right back into the pool. I'm gonna steal from the sun. We're gonna drop it down into the pool and hopefully this will give me some warm water and warm this pool up quicker. And then I'm gonna start this video back up later in the day and see what my pool temperature is. Okay, so it's 79 degrees now, the temperature. It's 91 degrees outside, and I will check the pool in a couple hours and we'll see if it made a difference. So the rig that I have is, I just have this little cheap fountain that I built, and I did a little bypass here. So when I drain the pool, it's a saltwater pool. What I had is I had my hose running out here and I have it coiled up on this little hose dealio and I run it to that drain over there behind the bush. Okay. So now let's turn this on. See how long it takes for the water to travel through here. Yeah, it's cool water. Now 50 feet of this already has water. It's been sitting in it for at least 45 minutes, so I'm sure it's gonna be hot. I hear something. Oh yeah, oh, that water is hot. All right, so all I'm doing is recycling pool water through 100 feet of black hose right back into the pool. I'm gonna let this run for a while and see if it maintains its temperature. This is like bath water right now. All right, see you in a couple hours. All right, it's 3 o'clock. It was 1 o'clock when we went ahead and installed this. Let's go check on the water, see how we're doing. Now the air temperature reading on the machine at 1 o'clock said it was 91 degrees out, but we were only at 79 degree water temperature. And this water feels cool. This water feels warmer. All right. Now I checked at 150 and the water temperature had already gone up to 81 degrees from 79. So let's go see what it is now. %, speed, 82 degrees. Amazing. That's not too bad. All right. Considering it's only been a couple of hours, we're harnessing the heat from the sun, circulating it back into the pool. The pump's already running. because I have it running for 8 hours a day. And that temperature reading is drawing from the deepest part of the pool. So the water is definitely feeling warmer up here where it's 3.5 feet deep. So that's a success. Can you imagine if I added, I don't know, maybe 100 extra feet of hose? So this is unsightly. I think what I'll do is go ahead and just take this and coil it up down there. Nice tight coil, and let the sun beat on it. That ought to warm things up a lot better because the water has to travel further through the black hose. So that's a success, man. And I'm not paying for propane. I'm not paying for equipment. And today I only spent, let's see, the hose was $14 for a 24-foot piece. I bought 2 pieces, 2 couplers, 4 clamps, and added it to my existing system. Go do the math. See ya.